In today's digital world, your phone is more than just a device. It is your bank, your identity, your private life, all in one place. Every message, every password, every transaction you make lives inside that small screen you call phone, that small screen you carry about. But here's the question: what happens when that phone leaves your hand? What if, in a moment of trust, you unknowingly expose everything you have worked so hard for to protect? Every day, thousands of people hands over their phones for repair, unaware that a simple mistake will lead to financial loss, identity theft, and irreversible damage. This is not just a story, it is a reality happening close. Welcome to this essential guide on phone maintenance mode setting, where you will learn how to protect your data, secure your privacy, and stay. Because in this digital age, ignorance is expensive, but awareness is power. I will use these short video clip to demonstrate it better. Do not go away. Keep watching to the end. But make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can have more updates.
In the heart of bustling Lagos, where the streets never sleep and every moment counts, a young Nigerian lady hurries into a modest phone repair shop tucked between busy stalls. Her face shows a mix of worry and urgency as she clutches her Android phone tightly. "My phone isn't working," she says softly, hoping for a quick solution. The repairer glances at the device, nodding casually, "Come back tomorrow." He replies, his tone calm and reassuring. Relieved, she leaves, unaware of what is about to unfold. That night, beneath the dim glow of a flickering bulb, the atmosphere inside the shop shifts. The repairer picks up her phone, his curiosity turning into something more sinister. With a few taps, he gains access. Messages, photos, banking apps, passwords, private documents. A slow smirk creeps across his face. One by one, he scrolls, digs, and copies, harvesting sensitive information that was never meant for his eyes. Every detail becomes an opportunity. The next day she returns, hopeful and unsuspecting. He hands her the phone with a confident smile. "All good now." She smiles back, grateful and relieved, completely unaware that her privacy has already been violated. But days later, everything changes. Unusual alerts begin to pop up. Unauthorized transactions, messages she didn't send, accounts she can no longer access. Confusion turns into fear, fear turns into panic. Her voice trembles as tears fill her eyes. "What's happening to me?" Cut to the repairer, calm, calculated, quietly exploiting the very data he stole. "Be careful who you trust with your phone. Your data is your identity, your security, your life. Please protect yourself. Learn how to secure your device before handing it over. Press the subscribe button now before I continue to unveil the way you can activate phone maintenance mode. Watch now to discover phone maintenance mode settings and how to keep your personal information safe, even during repairs.
To do that, you now go to settings, scroll down, you go to device care, you click it, and you scroll down again to maintenance mode, you click it. And after that one, it will ask you to turn on, you press turn on, then it will ask you to restart your phone, which after you have pressed, if you have password, pin or whatever, it will ask you. After you have inserted it, then it will now take you, it will now reboot. After that, it will reboot, which may take some time. So you exercise patience for it to reboot. So let's wait.
After reboot, your phone will go down and some of the apps, sensitive apps, will no longer be there. Your details, some details will no longer be shown. It's only a few apps that will appear. So after the repair, after you have collected back your phone from the person that is repairing it, you can now go back to your phone again, to your phone setting, and then you click setting. Then it will take you down the same process or reverse the process. You go to device care, then you scroll down to maintenance code. After you get there, you click again, Your phone will reboot again, asking for your password or PIN as the case may be. After you have inserted that one, it will reboot and come up later. When it comes up, all your phone will come back, all your apps will come back as usual, and that is it. It is better to do it that way than to hand over your phone to people, because in today's world, several things are going on. People are manipulating others. Even your SIM card that they give to you is not enough. They can use several medium to manipulate your details inside your phone. So please take this guide and send to another to as many as possible to guide them also. Don't keep it to your phone alone. Spread it to your family members, send to them, forward it to them, let them have this information too. And as you do that, thank you. Don't forget, as I said earlier, to subscribe to this channel, like and follow us. There are more important things you will gain from this channel. Thank you. God bless you for watching.